In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste questions into SurveyMonkey. This is a straightforward process that will save you a lot of time when creating surveys. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into SurveyMonkey. Head over to their website by entering the URL in your browser or by clicking on the link if you have it handy. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Clicking there will direct you to the login page. If you usually log in with Google, simply click on the Google button and you'll be taken to a new screen to select or enter your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page, specifically in the projects section. This is where you manage all your existing surveys and create new ones. Now look for the Create Survey button and give it a click. This will initiate the process of creating a fresh survey. Once you're set to create, you'll be presented with various options. Among them is Paste Your Content. This is the magic button that allows you to bring in your prepared questions from another document. Click on it and it will open up a section where you can paste content directly. Now's the time to switch over to your Google Docs where your questions are stored. Open the specific document and make sure to highlight all the text that you intend to copy over to SurveyMonkey. A quick shortcut is to use Ctrl+A if you want to select everything at once, followed by Ctrl+C to copy the text. After copying, head back to SurveyMonkey and paste your copied questions into the section provided. Use Ctrl+V, a quick and easy method to get your content right into the survey builder. Once everything is pasted as you want it, just click on Create Survey. SurveyMonkey will accept your inputs and transform them into a formatted survey. At this point, you might see an option to continue to survey. Clicking here will take you to the detailed survey customization page, where you can add finishing touches, tailor settings, and preview your work. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently copy and paste your questions into SurveyMonkey, saving you significant time and hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your survey creation process. Happy surveying!